Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about how to say hello, how to answer when people say hello, and how to say goodbye. Let's begin with greetings. Greetings are things that we say to say hello. Some of them are formal, very serious. Some of them are very casual. That means that we say them with friends and family. Let's start with formal greetings. We say these words and phrases with new people in our lives and people who are above us in some way, like a boss or professor. The first thing that we can say is hello. We say this with the person's name if we can. For instance, if I were a student and had a professor whose name were Kyle Smith, I would say, "Hello, Professor Smith." That way, I sound very respectful when I talk to them. But I would not say it that slowly. I would say it like this. I'll use different speeds. This is slow, faster, faster, and normal. Hello, Professor Smith. Hello, Professor Smith. Hello, Professor Smith. Hello, Professor Smith. If the person is not a professor, we can use the words Mr., Miss, or Mrs. before their family name or their surname. For instance, if I were to have a boss named Sabrina Rivers, I would say, "Hello, Miss Rivers," or "Hello, Mrs. Rivers," depending on whether she has a husband. Another formal greeting is the word greetings with a z sound at the end. Greetings. This is very respectful, but a little bit old. But we can still say it. For instance, I could greet someone named Kyle Brown like this. Greetings, Mr. Brown. Greetings, Mr. Brown. Greetings, Mr. Brown. Greetings, Mr. Brown. Like that. Finally, if you meet someone for the first time, we can say this. It's a pleasure to meet you. I will say it faster and faster, like this. It's a pleasure to meet you. 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 We can say that only when we meet someone for the first time in our lives. Next, let's talk about informal ways of saying hello. There are many, but I will talk about the most common. First, we can say what I say in these videos. Hi. That is a very common thing to say. We say it naturally like this. Hi. Or if you want to sound a little bit stronger, let your tone go down a little bit. Hi, like that. Next, we can say this. Hey, how are you? The word hey is optional, but I like to say it. When we say that phrase, we will change the sounds of the words a little bit. We say it like this. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? In the fastest speed, I changed the word are to the sound How are you? Like that. That is a very common thing to say in America. When we say that phrase, we are asking the person to tell us how they feel. Finally, we can say, how is it going? But just like the last phrase, we will shorten this a little bit. Instead of saying, how is it going? We will change how is to how's. Also, we will change going to goin'. So it sounds like this. How's it goin'? How's it goin'? How's it goin'? How's it going? Like that. Now, let's talk about how to answer if someone says hello to us. If someone says hello to us in a formal way, we can repeat that word to them. If someone says hello, I can say hello too. If someone says hi in an informal way to me, I can say hi to them. We can do the same thing with the word greetings. If someone says greetings to me, I can say greetings or hello to them, because greetings and hello are both formal ways of saying hello. Next, if someone says, hey, how are you? We can say things like this. Good, and you? Or, I'm good, what about you? Let's practice saying those a little bit faster. Good, and you? Good, and you? Good, and you? Good, and you? Next, the other one. I'm good. How about you? 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 Like that. When we say those things, we are saying that we feel happy and that we want to know how they feel. If someone asks, how is it going? We can say, it's going great. That means that our life is going well right now. Let's practice saying it. It's going great. It's going great. It's going great. It's going great. Like that. There are many other things that we can say. So, if you want to hear more greetings and more answers, please tell me in the comments below. Finally, let's talk about how to say goodbye. There are many different ways to say goodbye, so let's talk about just a few. First, let's talk about formal ways of saying goodbye. If I were speaking to a professor or a boss named Mrs. Smith, I would say this: I thank you for your time, Mrs. Smith. Or, I thank you for your time, Professor Smith. By thanking them for giving us some of their time, we show that we appreciate their time. That will make them happy. Let's practice saying it together with a professor whose name is Professor Smith. I thank you for your time, 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 Professor Smith. Like that. Another formal way to say goodbye is to say thank you so much and then say the person's name. Let's practice with someone whose name is Mr. Smith. Thank you so much, 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 Mr. Smith. Like that. By thanking them like that, we are saying that we appreciate everything that they said. Now, let's talk about informal ways to say goodbye. I like to say, have a good one. Here, a good one means a good day. So we are hoping that that person will have a good day. Let's practice together. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. Like that. I also like to say take care. Here, take care means protect yourself and be safe. It is a way to show that we care about the other person. Let's practice saying it together. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care. Like that. Before I end this video, I want to talk about how to say the word pleasure. That word is in the phrase, "It's a pleasure to meet you." So let's practice saying it. The first part of the word is ple. The hard part about this word is the letter S, because it does not make an S sound. It makes a ZH sound. Zh. I have talked about this sound in other videos. But basically, we take the SH sound and then add our voice to the sound. That will give us the sound zh. Let's start with the wrong sound. Sh, 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 like that. Now, let's practice saying this word. Pleasure, pleasure, pleasure. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. and I will see you in the next video. Bye.